Guys, my name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are going to do a full highlight. So if you guys notice in her hair, it is kind of dull, and she's been getting some highlights, but the lowlights were supposedly her natural. Doesn't really look like her natural, but we're going to go with it. And some of those pieces, guys, was blonde in the middle, then she had roots, and then she had brown on the bottom, which to me, that's just a sloppy foil. Hate that, but we fixed it. So join us, and we are going to go in for a full highlight with our girl, Katie. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and everywhere. Leda Fazal.
Yep, and then finish that spin. Beautiful.
Like it. I feel like there's a lot of breakage though. And it's weird because I really don't do that much heat. I mean,
Do you feel like the last person that colored your hair, maybe?
It's easier to wash it like that, so you don't lose any or anything.
Yeah.
Make sure you
Yeah, make sure there's a drain. Bye, Anna.
the drain stopper. Bye, Anna. Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye. You see that? This stupid little piece. Stupid Sam. Sorry. That's what he did to me, and it's just awful.
What's happening over there? You good?
It's just the ones that are like really prominent. I'm like, well.
I did the slicing like the Kelly Clarkson slice.
That's what my I didn't tell you, my client from the other day, that's what she wants.
I guess it's coming back
comparing
apparently they're saying.
People are wanting that, I guess.
And I've attempted going back to my natural color and I just cannot. I've always had blonde since I was like 12 years old, and I like that contrast.
See, that one doesn't have
No,
this,
that is
the dark.
All
Alright. Entertain the client. Entertain the client.
Still a little warm. I'll let that one sit for a second.
Yes. Beautiful.
Model over here. For real.
It just feels healthier too.
So bright. So pretty.
Beautiful.
I'm ready for spring summer.
Yes.
All right, just after a few hours, she is all done. Her blonde is nice and blended. She didn't want a high maintenance look, but now she has some contrast in there. We brightened up her ends, especially where they were really dull. And then moving forward, we're going to go in with a traditional highlight, leaving out her natural, and that will act as her low light. However, it will be beautiful from root to end and even, which is super important. We are the blonding specialists at Tone Hair Salon. We also do color corrections, gray blending, extensions using the Swan method, and demattings, of course. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe and follow us here, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Leda Fazal, Tone Hair Salon, North Carolina. Bye!